Welcome to your personal step-by-step guide. Preparing tax return. Once the client has finished the collecting phase and notified the tax preparer will get a notification. By clicking on it, it will take you directly to the client's overview. Please note that if you are in your client's overview, you will not see your notifications. You will see a yellow banner indicating that the engagement letter has been signed by a client. You will click the Sign button. Once you clicked Sign, a window will pop up and you will be able to fill the necessary fields. When completed, click Finish. Here's a curated list of tax software that is compatible with uploading your documents, ensuring that all tax software is supported. After signing the engagement letter, you will start preparing draft returns and click on Upload in the Preparing Return section. You will then be taken to the Tax Returns section. To upload the documents, you will click Get Started. Then, you will upload your documents either from your tax software or manually. Once uploaded, click the Next button. Once documents have been uploaded, you will move on to the States section to select the state in which the tax return is being filed. Then, you will click on Uncategorized and categorize the forms. To select multiple documents at once, you will hold the sheet, hold Shift and select the first and the last page you want to categorize. After categorizing the documents that have been uploaded, you will pass on to the Review stage. In this section, you will review each document to make sure everything is in order by selecting the numbers in the blue banner. In the last step of the reviewing process, you will select the filing status for the tax return and click Confirm. Then, you will be asked, how do you want to file your tax returns, and you will click E-File. Then, you will put the signature and date fields on the documents. Once completed, you will click Done. Now that you completed the review process, you will see that the blue banner has turned yellow. This indicates that you are now waiting for the client to authorize their tax return. You will go back to the client's overview to check off your responsibilities and click the Notify Client button.